Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Just a quick tool deal video. I just recently had a short for the Klein tools. Ratcheting wrenches were on sale. I was in the store and they were on sale. Dropped the price to 60 bucks. That was $20 less because they're normal $80. Well, Anthony Lerza commented on that short and said today, June the 7th. So that's what day it is. And this is a deal of the day. You have to buy it today if you're going to get it. If you go into Lowe's app, you go down and find yourself the deal of the day section. They usually got some pretty decent deals. It's usually not crazy good, but sometimes they got good deals. Scroll on down, you're going to find Klein Tools wrench sets 50% off right there. So 40 bucks a piece instead of regular price 80, and then even then it was dropped down to 60, and now they're down to $40 a piece. You can get the SAE and the metric set. I'll go ahead and click on these. You can see on the SAE set, sizes that you're going to get are 5/16 to 3/4. The nice thing I really like about this is that roll-up case. If you're going to keep them in your truck, it's going to take up a lot less room than some sort of thing where they're spread out in a drawer or something like that. Now, if you're going to put them in a toolbox drawer, it doesn't help you as much. But that's the sizes. Again, it's ratcheting on this end, open on that end. Go over and we'll look at that metric set as well. Here you're going to see that we have from 8mm up to 19mm. So ratcheting one end, close the other. Again, they got that color coding, but also have those cases. So at 40 bucks a piece, I'm probably going to pick me up a set, but I just wanted to share it in case it is something that maybe you've been wanting to get, just to let you know that that's a pretty good price on those. So that's probably as cheap as they're going to get. But again, if it's something you've been looking for, you might want to go pick those up today. Again, you have to get them today, June the 7th. Then they're going to go back up in price, probably back to that $59.99. So just letting you know they're out there. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.